Everyone tells you to sell at 16 delta. It's the sweet spot, the magic number. But is it actually the best choice? I tested 3 different delta widths over 5 years of trades, and the results completely surprised me. Here's what I tested. 30 DTE Iron Condors on SPY, entering every single day, taking profits at 50% of premium collected. Same strategy, same rules, same time period. The only difference? Delta. I tested 10 delta, 16 delta, and 20 delta. 5 years of data, thousands of trades. Let's see what actually works. Let's start with 20 delta. This is the most aggressive option. You're selling closer to the money, collecting more premium, but taking on more risk. Total profit, $502. That's it. 5 years of trading for basically nothing. Max drawdown was 54%. Return on capital, 1.5%. The MAR ratio is practically 0. 20 delta is a disaster. Let's see if moving further out helps. Now 16 delta, the one everyone recommends. This is the industry standard, the textbook answer. Total profit, $16,561. Now we're talking. Max drawdown dropped to 51%. Return on capital, 41%. MAR ratio of 0.27. 16 delta clearly beats 20 delta. But can we do even better? Finally, 10 delta, the most conservative option. You're selling further out of the money, collecting less premium per trade, but giving the market more room to move. Total profit, $18,186. That's the highest of all 3. Max drawdown was only 43%, the lowest. Return on capital, 38%. MAR ratio of 0.3. 10 delta wins on profit and on risk management. Let's put this side by side. 20 delta made $500. 16 delta made $16,500. 10 delta made $18,186. But here's what's even more interesting. Look at the drawdowns. 20 delta had the worst drawdown at 54%. 16 delta was 51%. 10 delta, only 43%. Lower delta means less premium per trade, but it also means fewer losing trades. And in option selling, avoiding big losses matters more than maximizing wins. So does delta actually matter? Absolutely. Moving from 20 delta to 10 delta turned a $500 gain into $18,000. The conventional wisdom says 16 delta is the sweet spot. But the data says 10 delta is actually better. Higher profits and lower drawdowns. If you want to see how profit-taking affects these results, check out my video on that strategy. And if you want more data-driven options analysis, subscribe. I'm Backtest Everything. No opinions, just data.